Number 5, Lot S90 is a 1969 Chevrolet K10 pickup with a small block V8 and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $50,600 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Exterior color white, interior color black. And the highlights are recent restoration, small block V8 engine, automatic transmission, white paint, black interior, new Dakota digital dash, air conditioning with new front pulley system, 3-spoke aftermarket steering wheel with wood grain rim, tilt wheel, power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel drive, lifted suspension, new off-road wheels and tires. And it had a lift to it and had the big wheels and tires. And as you notice in the other top 5 video and top 10, that's what everybody seems to want these days. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.